Hey YouTube, Kim Brzezlik here. I got a couple things in the mail. I thought I'd done an unboxing video, but who knows what happened to that. But I got a magnetic, I think it's a mag base for my indicator dial or clock. That'll be very useful when I get my lathe back in its regular configuration. As it is now, it's not going to help me on that direction anyhow. I got a 2-inch screwless vise, and as it turns out, in my bottom of my toolbox I had a fixture plate, let's call it, and I had a couple hold downs. So I ended up with this, and I think it's going to line up pretty well. As for the vise, I really can't say a whole lot about it. I will say, when you close this thing, well, you can see it now because it's dirty, but when that thing was clean, you couldn't see a seam on there. So that fit is very good. Everything else, you could probably shave. You could probably shave with some of the edges on this thing. Get that back up in place. But hopefully I'll be able to do some basic milling operations. You know, if I could just drill a 3/8 hole at a specific depth, and then put another hole in the center of it, you know, I'd be leaping great bounds. The vise was it was right around $50. Figure I'll be able to use it when I get my mill. I'll probably want another one, or at least a bigger one, probably a 4-inch, maybe even a 6, I don't know. Well, that's that. Just want to keep you up to date what's going on. I got an issue with my lawnmower. Come in here with me. This thing has no controls on it, no priming bubble. Basically all there is this this shut-off lever, and then there's a cable running down for the rear-wheel drive. It starts up, it runs for about 3 seconds, and it cuts right off. If anybody has any ideas, I'm thinking take the carburetor apart and clean it, and you know, I don't know. I appreciate any input anybody had. Okay, please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, and bring a friend. Love you all.